The Rafa na me who say ordinafu enenam. Wakotena social media. Na wo di bloggers atem say
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom you from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom you from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President and here. Women commerce is here.
the Rafa na me who say ordinafu enenam. Wakotena social media. Na wo di bloggers atem say bloggers are major national issues wo akodi NPP leaders chi e Supreme Court no. They are fools. That same bloggers no and they deal with it time omo chi wo 37 ukọ block e kwan akoda kwam sa bloggers na they deal with it bra ye chi wu no bloggers na also ye nim nyansa no ye no mie no hwe me ka asem bi hwe ono okosi kwan e wo 37 military hospital nanim ho ema ambulance antimi antwem omo ekọ adwuma akoye adwuma abefie abehwe wonu anom antimi anko that time no Sani pano, any bloggers say NPP leaders echi. Eko twa court cases no. Ebe this TikTok and court no. San akuro tu no. Wa nkasa wo Ghana ni a wo hwe me wa wo hwe video no. Ye mienu no. Hwan na ni nyansa. Hwan na ni nyansa. Wo na wa block way ama ambulance antimi antwem.
Bank levy. Ghana Education Trust Fund. Ghana Education Trust Fund network charge. African Union import levy. Then COVID health recovery levy. Then certification. Then IRS. You know, there's over age penalty by 0 because it's a new car.
A few moments later.
Car dealers they are buying also your name be because say oh more and for more heavy. Mumu say enko for no say more kan nyina say ye ton ade ayento. So ehun enti bibi enoma bebre o horma o sa ban etumi ye se na ebe ya ye dwadie no ayedie no ebetumi akonanim. Ebi ni say duty say ma ye kan first na enim say nka dollar ne ba for mo nanka edi ye friend say ye dwadie no abayi but metumi aka say car dealer bia obebi se ne bia be ka cho so utumi tran the car park be 8 months na untumi nton ade be 9 months no untumi nton ade na sa na edi dwa na Agyeta what a surrender
Baumia ka cho obesi torrent di amagana fo Baumia ebe ka so obesi torrent e di amagana fo torrent no Baumia be promise Ghana for cho obesi torrent di amagana fo yenti asema president John Dramani Mahama e kan e di fast ha torrent no ho wo de yenti.
This government, they put delivery tracker, social toilet. Toilet, the district assembly, them work. Why national government, we tell people what you do, then toilet in the district assembly. That one.
Okay. President John Dramani Mahama say, as a government, a dear now will be a diamo, maya, will say toilet. Into toilet, the emphasis on this because ɛyɛ district assembly ni wɔ mu adwuma president Dramani Mahama say me mo wɔ opposition no ɔse torrent ne yɛ district assembly man wɔ mu adwuma ɛna NDC aba power ɛna yɛ bi sɛ NDC ni communicator we say government na ɛdeɛ pa wɔn ba yɛ 1.5 years na ɛdeɛ na wɔn ayɛ amaka so afo a ɔse sanitation na torrent any sanitation mo he na yɛ aban na adwuma mo he na yɛ government na adwuma torrent ni sanitation torrent any sanitation no mo he pa na yɛ aban responsibility ɛyɛ mo he ba omi abeka torrent ɛyɛ wrong because ɛyɛ assembly na adwuma but sanitation ni deɛ ɛyɛ government na asɛdeɛ ɛyɛ government na adwuma mo NDC fo mo gu yɛ ni mu ase o na mo gu so mo gu yɛ ni mu ase mo gu yɛ ni mu ase papa na mo gu so mo gu yɛ ni mu ase mo gu yɛ ni mu ase papa na mo gu so a mo gu yɛ ni mu ase ayi so 1.5 years ni ɛde ayɛ sanitation what made you so 1.5 years ɛde ayɛ sanitation wɔ kasoa na wo see school kasoa ebi wo be you so how many years so what me you so 1.5 years ni a NDC ba mu ni e kyerɛ sɛ deɛ pa na wɔn ayɛ ma kasoa fo na wotumi ka kyerɛ Ghana fo sɛ wɔayɛ sanitation wɔ kasoa 1.5 years or the ayɛ sanitation bre into how many years na they be finish one school ɛde ama kasoa fo 1.5 years ni what the ayɛ sanitation wɔ kasoa Ghana for mun share what the mun share video no man what you share for Ghana for
NPP for o kan se ma fi no mo hope o kan na nka etie wa
so ene da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we che se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say here hospitals and they go sana no me na say it is a Kenyan say na no me nyina be ya say keska no kan kan de wasa botumi we say oh I mean say we say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say anya Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. na se bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia ye nketinketi ya adwen nketinketi ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye nketinketi. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kokoro nketinketi. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most people go nketinketi. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani Mahama se o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E de Rajon Dramani Mahama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma boom 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 mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say the echo ye crowd em now to me who letter be a yoke for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss hey Ramona Chapa ya hyping say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were ye former staff Emanam one, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, the bois.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and quack baby aquadan and then number one. Yes. Not just say what's in Ukraine say a state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good a year before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business. Ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Se osusi se nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omo statement. Ama o grant omo bi omo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court o. Uko court no. Court will really dey tiawo. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defediana afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No Raymond Wankasa me Martin ma ba me bia I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings e be pie. Very soon who recordings are e be pie. And this state institutions are oh on sano huno no crash am sorry am for nancy for my